Hey guys, I'm Oliver, and this is my Lakewood box fan. This fan is from 1983, and the model number is P-223. So now I will turn the fan on. The fan starts at high speed. This fan blows a lot of air. It's not that loud either. Yeah, it works really well. So now I'm going to turn it to medium. It feels like medium blows the same amount of air. Well, it gets a little lower, obviously, but yeah, it still blows a lot of air. So now here's low. As you can see, low is very, very quiet. I can still feel the air from here. Very powerful fan. This fan is really thick. Like, it's super thick. Let me show you. A TV remote. Here is the control panel. Alright, so that just about wraps up this video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.